There have been conflicting reports emerging out of Ghana that dancehall entertainer Beenie Man was actually taken into custody for breaches of the COVID-19 protocol in that country. When we return, have an updated report to come on this. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Trust and hope that you're doing fine and enjoying the festive season of the Christmas period. So coming up on the scoop for today, yesterday news emerged that dancehall superstar Anthony Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, was taken into custody for allegedly COVID breaches over there in Ghana. So Beenie Man sought to clear the air about this whole entire misconception and misinformation that has been circulating on the internet. And he made a post on his Twitter account, which we're about to update you with now, right on this program. So yesterday, sometime about, rumors began to circulate that the dancehall entertainer Anthony Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, was taken into custody for breaches of COVID-19 protocols in that country. So Beenie Man made a post on his official Twitter account. This was what it says. To my fans who are genuinely reaching out, I have no COVID, never caught COVID before, tested negative for COVID, have been traveling for 6 months, COVID free, fully vaccinated, he wrote. I guess someone wants to have COVID. Uno weird? YF. I don't even have to say what that means. So that was an official post for dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, who just sought to clear the air in relation to the misconception or misinformation that has been circulating on social media in relation to him being detained in Ghana over COVID-19 protocols. In relation to this, the dancehall entertainer sought to clear the air in the relation to the information that has been published out there and stated that he has never caught COVID, he has always tested negative, and he is also fully vaccinated. So yesterday, various news reports started to publicize that dancehall entertainer Beenie Man was arrested in Ghana by national security officials. So this was one of the information that we received. So Jamaican dancehall entertainer Anthony Moses Davis, more popularly known as Beenie Man, was arrested in Ghana by national security a few days ago. So information coming out of that country is alleged that Beenie Man tested positive on his arrival to Ghana on the 19th of December 2021 and was quarantined. This Beenie Man totally denied. However, he was seen ongoing at an interview and also other concerts in the country and was seen about in Ghana, according to the media report. It is also alleged that the dancehall entertainer produced a fake clearance certificate from the Ghanaian health official, which has become a subject of an investigation by the Ghanaian security official. Beenie Man is stated to have also performed at a show alongside high-profile artists from Ghana, including Stone Boy. So this news came a few days after the Ghanaian health official issued a statement to event organizers and the general public to adhere strictly to the COVID-19 protocols, especially at a time when the health service has started to record high rates of the Omicron virus infection in that country. According to the Ghanaian Immigration Service, he is currently released. So as news began to circulate of the dancehall entertainer being detained in Ghana, a number of the entertainer fans took to social media just in order to wish him all the best and also to congratulate him on spreading the music so far to Ghana. So the dancehall entertainer is currently had a number of gigs in that country and has been performing at a number of events also and also made a number of appearances at various interviews. Well, we'll continue to track this story and provide you more information to come once it becomes available to us. But this story that was published yesterday still has so many loopholes in it, and we are not sure whether or not the information that we received was actually true, as the dancehall entertainer so far denied the allegations made against him of him testing positive for COVID-19 and had to be quarantined. According to the Ghanaian Immigration Service, Beenie Man has currently been released to the Ghana Health Service and also his lawyers. So this was what the report stated coming out of Ghana as it relates to the dancehall entertainer Beenie Man being detained for a COVID breaches protocol. As you heard here previously in the initial report, Beenie Man denied all these allegations and stated that he was not taken into custody for breaches of the COVID-19 protocol and that he has never tested positive for the COVID-19. Well, we'll continue to track this through and provide more information to come on this once it becomes available to us. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity School. Thanks for watching.